Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and today we get a look at a 2014 Winnebago View Profile 24G model. This is a double slide. It's on the Sprinter chassis with the V6 turbo diesel by Mercedes, and we're going to give this thing a full interior and exterior look, check out all the compartments, see what it has to offer, and see how the floor plan fares compared to others. So we're going to start right out here on the outside. We're actually going to start on the passenger side corner. Look at your first little storage area right here. Nothing crazy, but definitely some storage. One of the options was an upgrade 3600 LP genset from Cummins. It's got less than 200 200 hours on it. Then we got another little storage area there. Some hydraulic lines for the leveling jacks, which this does have. It's not a full body paint coach, so some of your decals are starting to peel and crack, specifically this rear one right here. Actually, the rest, you got a little bit of fading on that red one, and actually the rest don't look too bad, but that one cracked one is there. Oh, and your Winnebago logo is pretty cracked as usual. Awning is electric, comes out a fair bit further, but check out them palm trees, wind is a whipping. I'm not trying to make that thing fly off. Next up, tires. What size do we have on these? We have a size that doesn't, there it is, 215 85R 16s. Date code on these bad boys is 11/22, so they're about a year old. Don't mind the phone in the back. All right, so right above this compartment, we do have your water heater. And we're looking at a 6-gallon water heater right there. See if it's gas and electric on the inside. Entry door, of course, made out of Iowa. It's on that Sprinter 3500 chassis. Now you can see all your blackout shades, those magnetic ones. I love those Sprinter magnetic shades. And you also got the little kind of front cap window there. Sorry about the brightness. This is not the same tire. 0716 on this Goodyear Wrangler HT. Now, being a 2014, you do have that right there. And it is a death coach after 2011. Once again, sorry about the sun glare. Right under here, you got your second compartment of 3 total. LP shutoff storage for the hose, tank flush, or tank, black tank flush. Still trying to speak with normal words. All right, interesting. Wrangler on the rear here is also a 2016, so it may have only been one tire replaced. Maybe they had a blowout or something. Then we got 30 amp power service, and then your outdoor shower. And it looks like no auto transfer switch. Let's plug that bad boy in. And then there's the rear slide. Rear slide does have a topper. It does also have a backup camera right there. And see, it does have some storage under there too, which is nice. So 3 storage compartments total. Well, 4 if you include that one, I guess. Right, that's the exterior. Pretty basic, nothing crazy, but let's jump inside. 2 steps come out electrically when you open the door. Batteries under there. Directly to the left, coach disconnect, battery disconnect, and then you're on and control. And then, light controls. Right, you're greeted with the slide right out the gate. Then you got your rear slide in the kitchen right there, but we'll get to it. Let's flip her around really quick. Look at the little dash area. I love these Sprinter cabs. Plenty of room for the passenger. Let me turn this AC down. It's already pretty toasty here in Arizona. 70,746 miles on this guy. And then it's hard to see, but you got your levelers down below. No navigation in this. It does have a battery boost, radio power there, and then cup holders there. The passenger does have a little glove box, some cubbies, I love these shades in here. They're just magnetic, so they're pretty easy to just disconnect. I can't really reconnect them with one hand now that I think about it, but what are you gonna do? And then the passenger seat does swivel. Sprinters generally almost always swivel. I've seen a couple that randomly don't, but for the most part they always do. And you can turn that guy so you can, you know, have a conversation with the people on the couch, or angle it correctly to where you watch TV. That's the way to travel right there. Just flip her around and watch the old boob tube. Seats are all manual seats like most Sprinters are, and they're in good condition. They are leather, but overall, I mean, I'll stain there. And then we do have, come on phone, turn, a little bit of wear right there, as you can see. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but that's the only area that I really see. You also got your adjustable armrest. Very cool. All right, last in the cab area, you got manual sun visors that pop down, but then a little bit of, oh, can't really see that, a little bit of cubby storage right here on both sides. Right above us is another vent. Does have a shade. You can pull that down, give yourself a little bit more darkness. Kind of hard to tell how deep those are, but they're pretty deep. They go the full length that you see right there. Oh. Glue that. And then honestly, in the cab area, that's about it. All right, before we get to the slide to the left, I always show this really cool kind of overhead skylight. So daytime shade, nighttime shade, completely open it. And this guy does also open completely electrically. And if you're in a really hot area, AC's not doing enough, I mean, pumping out some of that air going out or having a nice airflow coming in on a nice day is always a plus. Very cool. All right, so your couch, 2-cushion couch right here. You know me and how much I love Winnebago furniture. Still looks great 9 years later. Now, daytime, nighttime MCD shades, low rise shades right here and here. That was another option for this coach. There wasn't many options, but this thing has just about all of them that were available for the most part. This couch is a sleeper. You remove the 2 cushions, you flip it over itself and lay everything flat. A little bit more of a pain than a jackknife, but quite flat and comfortable. On this wall, light, thermostat, 99 degrees in here, always nice. Let's see, a little bit of sweat. AC won't run fast enough for me. All right, then we got your kitchen. Kitchen is just nice, long, goes all the way down. Bathroom in that door, obviously bedroom in the back. So above the TV that is on a mount, we have some storage there and some 110s, satellite connections, HDMI input. To the right of that is some more storage in your plug-in for the microwave. And before we get to all the other cabinets, let's check out my printouts. Now, hopefully you can read this. We're selling this guy for $79,995. You can see all the miles and some of the specs. 31 fresh, 36 black, 36 gray for the tanks. Your floor plan is that guy right there. And then there's weights and measurements if you want to pause it. And then you can see your chassis options. There's the interior upgrade package that this does have. And then your other options sheet, all the highlighted stuff is stuff I found that was an option for this specific model. All right, next up, Jensen DVD player. You've seen those before. Some storage down below. Remote drawer, as usual. And then 2 of these, a little bit taller right there, just to the right under the sink. We do have, oh, that was another option too, was water filter. That needs to be remounted. Part of that interior package were these wood grain sink covers. Believe it or not, that was an option. So was the backsplash you see behind this stovetop. Convection microwave because there is no oven. And then, but you do have some good drawers down below under the stovetop. 2 more down below. Oh. And then, it's a little tight right here, so sorry on the video, but we got pantry pullouts. You know, Winnebago, they like their pull-out pantries, and so do I. Down below, I can't remember how many drawers. 2 more drawers down below. All right, and then last for the kitchen, we do have your Dometic fridge. This is going to be pretty tough to show you. So it's one of those all-in-one fridges with the top freezer. Slide controls, inverter, generator start, 111.8 hours on it. Power regulator, LP, slide controls, and then I guess that will probably be the best way to look at this one. And then across from that is actually a closet. So it does also have in here a table, which you could set in between those 2 chairs right in that little hole. Now, okay, good, the leg's right there. I was like, I don't know where the leg is. Closet there, single drawer here. Oh, it's got some little curtains too. Probably for that front cab area. Oh, actually, no, looks like it's actually for right here. Right. Now, last but not least, besides the bedroom, we got the bathroom. And the bathroom, actually, I mean, mine is a little tight to get in. Not bad. Raised pedestal toilet. It's a corner shower, but it's not like a normal corner shower. A little bit smaller. Skylight up above for tall people. Fantastic fan in here. And then, that's deep enough for TP. And decent storage there too. Now, of course, I'm gonna try to turn it around here. I don't know. You got 3 of those little kind of linen closet things, whatever you want to call it. And we'll flip her around here and check out the bedroom. So, a little hallway walking into the bedroom. Does also have a step up right there, so something to keep in mind. Being a rear slide, mattress comes over itself, so when this slide comes in, that back mattress does have to lift up and lay on top of this bigger piece of the mattress. It is technically a queen bed. It does have a walk around on either side. There is that storage down below from the outside. That's probably why that is cut in a little bit. You can see those MCD shades in here too. All right. Well, now you know what we need to do. Got to get some slides in, see how it looks. I'll be right back. All right, slides are in. As you can see, your couch slide right here is in. Doesn't change too much except for the width. Not able to use the couch bed when it is slid in. And then back here's your biggest difference. So like I said, this cushion comes up over this one. You can still technically push that back a little bit. But yeah, comes in over it. Not very usable while you are traveling. I mean, small baby walkway, but aren't going to be doing much. Kitchen, bathroom, nothing else changes. And here's how she looks from the outside. With, well, I guess this side doesn't look all that different, minus the compartments and the awning, than on this side. Got full slides in. I have a link to this unit down in the description box down below, and I'll put all my contact info on the screen right now. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out. Shoot me an email, send me a text, let me know how I can help. And let me know if you got any suggestions for other videos. If you guys are wanting to see something specific or a certain way for me to shoot these, let me know. But hey, thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. And let me know if I can be of any assistance. Have a great day.